Hello human bodies. Welcome to Abstergo TV. So today I'm releasing Abstergo OS 1.0 Lite Edition. This is best for low specs gamer. It runs faster than dark matter in first generation processor too. Also all features of Abstergo OS main version is available in this one too. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. I'm launching two variants of this OS. 1. Without any Google Apps. 2. With Google Apps. If Google Apps is not necessary for you, then please go for the first one, which is without any Google Apps, because it is faster. So here are the two package. Google Apps package is optional. Because for me, Google Apps are worst as it consumes more than 400 MB of RAM. All download links are provided in my Discord server. So I'm gonna install the package without Google Apps, because I hate Google Apps. So now open the installer and extract it. Now open the folder and read the warning. I forgot to mention that. You skip, you die. At first now disable antivirus and Windows Defender before processing further. I'm not gonna talk much in this tutorial, because I'm suffering from high fever. Just follow whatever I'm doing, and your installation will be completed without any errors. Okay. Here disable every option to disable Windows Defender. Okay, you can read this installation guide for further knowledge. Softwares required for installation are 1 Disk Genius and 2 Grub 2 Win. Now right click on Start button and click on Disk Management. Then Disk Management will open up. Now right click on any partition. Then click on Shrink Volume. Remember you need to shrink at least 20 GB of space. Click on Shrink. This process may take time, so just relax. Okay, so here you can see that 20 GB space is shrinked, right? Now close Disk Management and install Disk Genius software. Untick both boxes and click on Finish. Open Crack folder. Here you can see two folders. If you have 32-bit Windows, then copy files of x86. If you have 64-bit Windows, then copy files of x64. Go to Disk Genius install directory and replace the files. You need to use the icon to run Disk Genius, otherwise all features will not be unlocked. Run Disk Genius. So here you can see the 20 GB free space that we shrinked a moment ago. Right click on it and click on Create a new partition. Then set the file system type as ext for Linux data and give volume label as Abstergo OS Lite. Click on OK. Then click on Save All and follow me. Now it will create a new ext4 partition named Abstergo OS Lite. Now open the Abstergo OS Lite partition and create a folder named Abstergo OS Lite. Warning, you have to give exact and correct alphabets that I'm using, otherwise it will create boot error. Now open the folder and create a folder named Data. Now minimize Disk Genius and open the setup folder of Abstergo OS Lite. You have to mount the ISO image using Windows Explorer. You know what? Just follow me. Okay, so now the first part of installation is completed. Now close Disk Genius software. Now copy the grub code. Extract the grub 2.1 installer and install it. It is very easy and simple. So now grub 2.1 is installed successfully. Click on Manage Boot menu. Then click on Add a new boot entry. Now follow me carefully. Select submenu, then give title as Abstergo OS Lite. Edit custom code, and here you need to paste the grub code that you copied earlier. Just do whatever I'm doing, bro. Here you can arrange boot entry order using the arrow given. Click on it to change background image. Now click on Set Boot Order. Here, using the arrow key, take grub 2.1 boot menu to the top, so that it will set grub 2.1 as your default boot manager. So finally the installation process is 90% completed. Let me bring my camera, and then we will reboot our system. Now let's reboot our system. So here is the new boot menu. Select Abstergo OS Lite and hit enter. Then again hit enter. It has only stock kernel. Because stock kernel is bootable in all PC, you need to upgrade kernel manually. I will show you later on this video. So system initializing process may take up to maximum of 10 minutes. Just wait. Let me set up the OS fast. So welcome to a world beyond your imagination. Abstergo OS will be coming with neon look for forever. Golden accent color is discontinued. This is Abstergo OS 1.0 Lite Edition. Don't think it doesn't has any great features like Abstergo OS main version. This version is faster and has same features. After your first boot is successful, you have to change kernel to get the real beast performance. So these are the apps of the package without Google Apps. Add it or restore, because it is the best app store ever. It also has Abstergo terminal. Press Alt plus F1. Then type Abstergo and hit enter. This command will not work in any terminal app. I will show you this later on the video. Now let's finish up setting L speed booster and system tweaker. So from here just follow each steps. Okay, so now installation process is 97% completed. Now before upgrading kernel, make sure to install PUBG, otherwise your pre-key mapper will not work. I have already installed PUBG. Now let's run it. You will see the key mapping is already set. Here you can see the key mapper has key mapped PUBG. My bullshit internet connection. I will skip this part. Compiling resources will take place for the first time only. So you can surely see my bullshit internet connection is messing with me. And also you can see that HD graphics is already set by Abstergo OS. Let me show you the graphics settings. So smooth plus extreme frame rate is already unlocked. And up to HDR plus ultra frame rate is unlocked in this OS. I will also show you that how to play in HDR plus extreme frame rate later on this video. So enough PUBG. Now we have to upgrade kernel, because this kernel is for first boot and it has only FPS unlocked up to 40. So we have to upgrade kernel to unlock 60 FPS. At first you have to download kernel from my Discord server. In my Discord server, you have to scroll down and go to the download section. Then there you will see a section called upgrade kernel. And also you can download all Mesa files from upgrade Mesa section. You don't need to upgrade firmware because it is already latest. I have written kernel guides. Download kernel according to your processor. I have 4th generation processor, so I will go for kernel 4.13.5. This kernel is best for me. So to download, open the link above, then choose the kernel you want to download. So download is completed. Now open my computer and go to download folder. Here you can see the downloaded kernel file. Now just copy it and paste it in document folder. Make sure that this document folder is containing only this file. And so let me turn on my camera. Let me show you that currently kernel version is 4.14.15. Okay, so now press Alt plus F1. Then type Abstergo and hit the enter. Now to upgrade kernel, you need to choose option 8. Type 8 and hit enter twice. Read this instruction and then hit enter. Just relax, after this process system will reboot itself. Then you need to boot to Windows. Now boot to Windows. Okay, so now open Disk Genius software and open the folder of Abstergo OS Lite. Now rename the kernel file to kernel old. Minimize Disk Genius software, then open my computer. Then go to C drive. There you can see a file named kernel. You just need to drag and drop or just copy it inside Abstergo OS Lite install directory. So finally Abstergo OS Lite is successfully installed. Now you can reboot and boot to Abstergo OS Lite. Let me reboot to Abstergo OS Lite fast. Let me show you kernel is successfully upgraded to 4.13.5. So now let's unlock HDR plus extreme FPS in PUBG. Open GFX tools and follow me. Do not mess with other settings. Just follow me. So here you can see HDR plus extreme FPS is unlocked. LOL, my laptop is still handling this much of pressure. I'm recording in highest possible quality, but in reality you will not face any lag or any bullshit. Made for budget gamers. In other Phoenix OS, except Abstergo OS and Spectre Edition, game crash when we set the graphics to HDR, but in this OS too, no crash. So let's check FreeFire now. There is not mouse lock bug in FreeFire. I will post a link of how to key map properly in FreeFire to avoid all mouse bugs. That video is made by DevNaf, a KR developer of VIP console. Oh, I don't have proper internet connect to update FreeFire. Let me show you Abstergo terminal. I will show you some features. I will not explain all, because I have already explained it in my previous video. I'm using this terminal app to show you all features. So you have to manually change kernel and Mesa drivers according to your processor and GPU. What are the best features? You all know Abstergo OS 1.0 main version has many features. Don't worry, all features are in this Lite version too. Games that are supported without any errors are same as main version, like PUBG Mobile official, PUBG Mobile Korean, PUBG Mobile Vietnam, Game for Peace and FreeFire. In the Abstergo terminal you can see option 2. Enable extreme mode as use to unlock extreme frame rate in any Mesa version. I can't show you gamma play because of my bullshit internet. Announcement: Abstergo OS for 32-bit processor and Abstergo OS Call of Duty edition is on the way. So that's the end of our today's journey. See you all in our next amazing video. Until then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support this poor YouTuber. This is Abstergo TV, signing out.